How to download Twitter videos to iPhone updated way. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can download Twitter videos on your iPhone. So let's get into it. Now to download a Twitter video, all you need to do is you can simply open up a Twitter video. So let's say I want to download this one, and you can click on the bottom right over here to see whether or not this video is downloadable. So if the video is downloadable, it will have a download section. If the video is not downloadable, so there are a few other things you can do. You can download the Share It app, and the Share It app actually enables you to download different videos. It's a file sharing app, and once you have downloaded this app and enabled it, you can just do a long press on the video, click on Share Via, and then once you do that, you can click on More, and you can click on Edit Actions just to simply open up the video over here. Do a long press, then go and scroll up, and you will click on download and share it, and you can download it via Share It. So that is one simple way to download a video on your Twitter application. Now, if you don't want to download a separate application to download videos from Twitter, there is another way or another workaround which you can use to download videos on Twitter. And that is pretty simple and easy, and it does not require any other application, which is simply to just open up the video that you want to download. So let's say I just want to download this video, and what you're going to do is pause your video. You can go into your control center from the top right, and once you've done that, you will simply see the screen recording button on the left side on the bottom left, and now you can enable screen recording and record the screen of your iPhone until you are satisfied. It sets a 3-second timer, so you can turn this on and you will close this in 3 seconds and then wait for the video to be played. The entire video will be played, and you can record the entire video and save it to your gallery. And in this way, you will have a recording of your screen, or you will have a recording of the Twitter video that you wanted to record directly into your gallery. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.